guys, it's Di and welcome back to Bags for Bubbles, and I have a fun unboxing for you guys today. So I found this on Fashionphile and I have just kind of been looking around for some fun things for summer, and this caught my eye. It's actually kind of a fun story because it was on there and I was debating it, and then I went back to buy it and someone else had bought it. And I was like, oh no, it's Balenciaga. It's gonna be so hard to find. I'm never gonna be able to find this. And then, obviously, I checked back and it had come back in stock. So the person must have put it in their cart or put it on hold, and then they were not able to get it. They did not get it. So I grabbed this thing so quickly. I was so excited. And this is cute. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. They included like a little nail file, so that's fun. And I was so excited because this is a hard to find color. I knew if I didn't find it, then I was going to not be able to find it. So this is cute. Look at their packaging. They have little confetti down inside there. So I have sold the Fashionphile before, but I've actually never bought anything from there. But this was a super lucky find. I was so excited, and I've never seen this color in person. I'm really hoping I like it, and this is a Balenciaga item, so I'm probably going to give that away in the title. But this is my first ever. Look how cute it is. This is perfect for summer. I love it. This is my first ever Balenciaga Hip, and it has a long strap, and it's in the color Blue Tropical, and it was such a pretty color. I love it. It's so saturated, and the leather on it is just amazing. It's fantastic. I think this is going to be a really, really great bag for summer. So I'm excited. This is my first hip that I've ever had. This is a crossbody. It's got the adjustable there, and it's about big enough for like a card case, cell phone, some keys, lip gloss, you know, just basically the essentials. So it's a fun little bag to toss down inside a bigger bag or to use as a quick little grab and go crossbody. So I will let you guys know what I think about it after I use it for a little while. But I was so excited when this came back in stock because I was like, I'm never going to find this bag in that color again. I believe this is from 2012, the 2012 Balenciaga line, and it's obviously since been discontinued. Balenciaga releases new colors each season, and once they're sold out, they're really hard to find. So I was so excited when this came back in stock. So this is the Balenciaga Hip style bag, which is similar size to shoulder, just a little bit bigger, and it is a crossbody bag. I